Day 3 and Day 4 sa Bali, tara! 9 AM kami sinundo ng tour guide namin, and before heading to our first stop, dumaan muna kami sa Starbucks para matry yung coffee nila here in Bali. I ordered the iced Diwata latte for only 68,000 IDR or around 240 pesos. After that, dumiretso na kami sa first destination namin, ang 180 or The Edge here in Bali, known for its amazing cliffside views. The entrance fee is 700,000 IDR, but 600,000 IDR is consumable for food and drinks, so sulit na rin. That's roughly around 2,400 plus. We only have 4 hours here, so while waiting for our ordered food, nagpicture na kami, nag-video, nag-swimming, then kumain na kami. After kumain, nagpalit lang kami at pumunta na kami sa second destination namin, dito yan sa Melasti Beach. Entrance fee is 15,000 IDR or around 51 pesos. At after 25 minutes, umakyat na kami para makahanap kami ng magandang spot para manood ng Kekak Dance. So yung Kekak Fire Dance nga pala is a continuous story na susundan mo mula sa binigay nila na paper na translated sa language namin para masundan namin yung story habang nanonood. The show lasted almost 1 hour din. After that, we made a quick stop at Shara Diwata Supermarket for our last pasalubong shopping. Then we just booked a Grab going home. For dinner, we just ordered Burger King at dyan nagtatapos ang Day 3 namin. Day 4, early pickup at 4:30 AM. Dahil back to reality na ang beshi nyo. Our flight back to Manila was scheduled at 8:45 AM. And after 4 hours, nasa Pinas na uli ang besh nyo. At dito na nagtatapos ang Bali vlog ko. Hanggang sa susunod, follow me for more!